Most people think you need a camera, lights, and editing software to make professional videos. The truth is, you don't. ShortBeast AI lets you create studio quality videos without spending money on gear or hours learning editing. All you need is your idea. Type it in and the AI creates a script, voiceover, and visuals that match. The voices sound natural, the videos are smooth, and you can customize them with subtitles or templates that look like they came from a pro editor. This means you can make videos that look polished and ready to post on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, even if you've never edited before. It's a tool that gives you results without the struggle. Start creating your own professional videos today with ShortBeast AI. Use my link in the description to sign up and get started fast.